finally gained control our connection to this Aaon unit. It had outdoor temperature sensor error. You see right now my outdoor temperature is reading, and I'm going to show you what I did to get it to work. So it was set up to use network, and I'm going to show you the network sensor too. It doesn't work. I didn't care. I just changed the configuration and changed the configuration. I changed the configuration from network sensor to analog input 7 on the main controller. And I'm going to show you all that in a little bit, but I'm just taking a little break monitoring the system because I had a little bit of issue getting connected to it. So this is my second visit to the site. First visit, I had some issues getting connected because I guess I was using the old version of the Aaon software, and so I downloaded the new version and then tested it out. It did some dry run and some controller out in my garage, and then I came out here, and then yeah, that was it. So I'll show you the configuration. Look at my compressor real quick. So 47%, 48% cooling, because it has that. It has the refrigeration module, and so you can hear the compressor going on and off. Copeland digital scroll, like suction pressures, pretty cool. Discharge pressures, saturated temperatures, cold temperature, discharge, compressor discharge temperature, and it's just one compressor in this unit, single compressor. Pretty cool. So yeah, let's look at the problem that I had. So this was the sensor right there. You can see currently I'm reading 83 degrees outdoor. So it's reading right now. And let me show you in configuration. Show you in the configuration where I changed what it was and where I changed it. Okay. So I think it was here. Right here. So it was set up to use this option, the eBus network sensor, and I'm going to show you it's installed, but it's just not working. I was locked out by outdoor temperature sensor error, OAT sensor error, and I just couldn't get out of it. So yeah, I just installed a regular thermistor on the input, analog input 7, and yeah, it's working pretty good. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here is analog input number 7 right here. This is the sensor thermistor that I installed. I just stick it right there in the side because that's where the draft is. The draft from the condenser fan motor, so it can sense outdoor air. But here it is. It goes into AI7. Alright, so now we're working. This is where I'm gonna leave it. I'm not even gonna bother to change the other sensor because you know, the one that came with that option. I'm not even gonna bother to change that because here it is right there. That thing is like, you gotta remove the whole hood, damper and assembly to access that sensor. And then here's the network plug. But I'm assuming it's plugged in. We don't know what the issue with it is, but it's plugged in and it's just bad, I'm assuming. But there it is. There's this probe. Yeah, that's gonna be staying there. All right, it's gonna stay with this other fix, especially these Aaon units. You don't have no support with them. You're pretty much on your own once they're out of factory warranty. So once they're out of factory warranty, that's the compressor module right there, and that's your heating module. Yeah. Pretty cool, man. So yeah, I just did that. So the sensor is plugged in somewhere on this network, the eBus right here, eBus network. You know, that's how they all communicate. The sensor is on that, but it's just not working. Who cares? I'm just happy that I was able to solve this for the customer. And yeah, another one in the bag, baby. Another one in the bag. That's it.